Howdy, neighbors, and Miss Chloe. It quit raining sometime this morning. It was wet for a long time. It's still wet, and that's why I got the cardboard burn going. I got about 3/4 of the cardboard whittled down, and by the end of the day, if the weather stays like this and none of that stuff comes and starts spending hours and hours downpouring on us, I should have all the cardboard done and out of my hair. And then I just got a little pile of scrap metal that I gotta take and get rid of. And the wires, I got two black bags right there. They've been buried under the cardboard, and one bag's got all wire, and the other bag's got all that black stuff. That's that protective coating that's on the wires. And then I did another 15 minutes of scrubbing by hand. What's that stuff called? 3M Scotch Brite.
Oh, Scotch Brite, yeah.
But they're actually sanding ones. They have different grits for it. They seem to work okay. It's just I'm old. I can only do so much. But again, little by little. I'm waiting for that thing to relight. Doesn't seem to be working right now. Some of this, like what I just threw on there, was pretty soaking wet, so it's got to dry itself out with the sun up now, helping, and the wind. Sooner or later it goes foof, and then I can throw more on it and wait. So yeah, today it's one of them hard days. I cut more insul board to get it ready. What else did I do? Jeez, I don't remember. A lot of little stuff, because it all adds up. I'm not going to run into Flagstaff for a bit, although I may end up going tomorrow, who knows. All depends on the van. The road out here, is it beats the old girl up a bit. Miss Chloe over there, she's non-stop hunting lizards. I mean, non-stop. She has all her spots out here now that she goes around and checks, and the ones where she had seen one before and the chase had been on, and she loved it, and she goes back and checks every one of them. Don't you, little girl? You spoiled brat.
And who spoils her the most?
Not me. But
no, I think we're pretty equal on that.
yeah. When I call her, she comes a running though. Just had an ant crawling on my arm.
Yeah, he'll bite.
Oh, it's a little black one.
Well, they try.
Yeah.
I've had them, the littlest ones, but.
Oh, she's gone. See? Poof. That's what she does. A white dog disappears. Where are you at?
I think she's in
Show yourself, Chloe. I don't see any legs.
Oh,
yep, there she is. Hiding, checking the underneath.
Any new critter smells?
Yeah. Where'd you go? Yeah, she goes underneath all our rigs. Oh, yep, there she is. Checks them all out. What a good girl. Okay, so let me see. Is there anything else I want to discuss today? I don't think so. What do you think, Chloe? Huh? What do you think, pretty girl? Monster says I'm busy. Leave me alone.
I'm busy going behind your backs where you can't see
Can't
me.
see where I'm going. Yeah. Well, here we are again in the middle of a giant patch of sun where it gets hot and you just sit there going, oh, come on. Now we got to move to the shade. And all the way around us, it looks like it's raining in various spots all the way around. But you watch clouds like these ones right here. This is to the north of us over the Grand Canyon area. They get really big, really huge, and then, 3 minutes later you look and you're wondering, where'd the clouds go? Okay, as the old saying goes, later.